Today I'm going to show you how to build these simple rustic apple storage trays for autumn. Let's get on with it. This build is made from very cheap stud timber. These three cost me less than £9 all in, and I only used one and a bit for these trays. First, we'll rip the stock into roughly 1/2 inch and then again into 1/4 inch widths. We need some of these parts around 15 inches in length, and because I don't have the width in my workshop, I cut these by hand. These are then trimmed square. These form the uprights for the trays. These are just some spare pieces of square stock that I have, and I'm applying some double-sided sticky tape. Applied to the crosscut sled, these will support the square stock so that I can cut it down into the triangular pieces needed for the uprights of the trays. Once cut, these strips then need trimming down to 3.5 inches long. The thin 1/4 inch stock that we cut earlier now needs cutting into 12 inch and also 18 inch lengths. My crosscut sled doesn't have 18 inch capacity, so again these are cut by hand. The corner pieces need marking out, but cut generously. This allows the trays then to stack. Let's try a test layout. Looking good. I glued and doweled this project. The drill is 2mm and the dowels are made from cocktail sticks. This looks fiddly, and it is. I realised that allowing the glue to dry first would work better and did this for the second tray. Use a 1/4 inch spacer to raise the uprights to the correct height and glue them in place. Clamping works well here, but make sure that the uprights do stay vertical. Then fit the upper layer. Dowel all of the parts securely and then trim the dowel ends flush using a chisel or a saw. So there you have it. 2 simple apple storage trays for about £5 in total. These will be nice and effective in the autumn when I get into the orchard and I pick the apples, and they'll be good for storing them through most of the winter. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment, and if you do comment, I will respond. Thanks for now. Bye bye.